Our vision starts from the peak of the world, taking root in the innovative soil of Shenzhen. Technology weaves the path to the future. "16 years of deeply industry experience, upgrading fleet safety with professional expertise, improving operational efficiency. Industrial integration system service, R&D, production, sales. Products integrated AI deeply learning algorithms. Core products, covered vehicle DVRs, dashcams, and body-worn cameras. Received numerous industry awards and honors. Our strength is widely recognized. Headquarters located in Nanshan District, Shenzhen Science and Technology Innovation Center. Gathering R&D, technical support, and sales teams. Professionalism starts here. From hardware design to software development, every segment is independently controllable. We can customize solutions according to specific needs and conduct functional verification according to your schedule. International quality, globally certified. Over 50 patents and software copyrights, building technological barriers through innovation. As an original manufacturer, adopting standardized production processes, we always prioritize product quality, ensuring product quality from the source. Thanks to strict procurement and production processes, from component procurement, incoming inspection to SMT production, we strive for excellence at every step. Business range over 100 countries and regions worldwide. Working together for a win-win future. Reducing traffic accidents and improving fleet operational efficiency.